4K Blu-ray isn't just for movie lovers. It's for people who want the absolute best picture and sound their system can deliver. Streaming can't touch the clarity, the detail, or the pure audio power these machines can produce. So today, we're counting down the 5 best 4K Blu-ray players for true audiophiles in 2025. Some are budget-friendly, some are built like tanks, but one stands above them all. Let's find out which one wins. The LG UBP-X800 is one of the best entry-level players for anyone who wants real 4K Blu-ray performance without spending a lot. At this tier, you're looking for reliability, clean picture quality, and strong format support, and the UBP-X800 delivers exactly that. The video output is sharp and vibrant, with accurate colors and solid HDR10 and Dolby Vision support. Movies look bright, detailed, and natural, especially on modern TVs. The player runs quietly, loads discs quickly, and keeps the user experience simple and friendly. On the audio side, it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS::X pass-through, giving you immersive sound if you have a home theater setup. It won't match the power of the high-end models on this list, but for the price, it gives you everything you need for cinematic sound. Build quality is lightweight but sturdy enough, and the menu system is easy to navigate even for beginners. If you're upgrading from streaming or older Blu-ray players, the UBP-X800 will be a massive improvement in both clarity and depth. Overall, the LG UBP-X800 is the perfect starting point for anyone wanting real 4K disc performance on a budget. The Sony UBP-X800M2 steps things up with better build quality, better stability, and noticeably more refined audio performance. Sony has always aimed this player at people who care about both picture and sound, and the results show immediately. Its frame and beam chassis design reduces vibration and improves signal stability, which helps both video and audio clarity. The picture quality is crisp and controlled, with excellent motion handling and strong HDR10 and Dolby Vision performance. Colors look accurate, contrast is solid, and dark scenes keep their depth without washing out. On the sound side, this player supports nearly every major format: Dolby Atmos, DTS::X, high-resolution audio, SACD playback, and even DSD support. It's a haven for audiophiles who collect both movies and high-quality music discs. The physical unit itself feels sturdy and premium, with quiet operation and fast disc loading. Sony's interface is simple but clean, making it easy to jump into your favorite movies without hassle. If you want a step above basic models, something with better build, better stability, and better audio flexibility, the UBP-X800M2 is one of the strongest mid-range players you can buy. The Panasonic DP-UB9000 is where things start to feel truly high-end. This player is built like a tank, heavy, solid, and engineered to deliver reference-level video quality. If picture performance matters most to you, this is one of the best machines on the market. Panasonic's HDR optimizer is the star of the show. It actively analyzes your display's capabilities and fine-tunes HDR output to match it. The result is stunning: brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and incredibly natural color grading. Whether you're watching Dolby Vision or HDR10+, the UB9000 handles it gracefully. The audio performance is equally impressive. With high-quality DACs, balanced XLR outputs, and strong noise reduction, the UB9000 is a great choice for music lovers too. The sound is clean, wide, and detailed, making concert discs and high-resolution audio shine. Build quality is exceptional: thick panels, rigid construction, and a quiet, stable transport that feels like it will last forever. The interface is fast and reliable, with excellent disc compatibility. If you want top-tier video performance with audiophile-grade audio options, the Panasonic UB9000 is a powerhouse and easily one of the best players of its class. The Magnetar UDP800 hits that rare sweet spot between premium build quality, outstanding picture performance, and true audiophile sound. This player feels like a modern successor to the legendary Oppo units, heavy, overbuilt, and engineered with precision. The video output is exceptional, with sharp 4K detail, deep contrast, and beautifully balanced HDR support. Whether you're watching fast action scenes or dark atmospheric films, the UDP800 handles them cleanly with zero noise or jitter. But the real highlight for audiophiles is the audio section. The UDP800 features high-grade DACs, meticulous internal layout, and fully shielded compartments that reduce noise and interference. Music playback feels wide, open, and full of texture, making it great not just for movies, but also for sax, DVD audio, and high-resolution music files. Build quality is one of its strongest points. Thick steel panels, reinforced chassis, and a disc transport that feels as solid as professional gear. This is a machine built for people who want performance and durability. If you want a true high-end player that excels at both audio and video, and you don't want to hunt for a rare Oppo, the Magnetar UDP800 is one of the best modern choices. The Oppo UDP-205 remains the undefeated champion, even years after it stopped being manufactured. Its reputation didn't happen by accident. This machine represents everything an audiophile could want from a 4K Blu-ray player: incredible build quality, reference-level audio, and flawless video performance. The UDP-205 uses top-tier ESS Saber DACs, giving it a rich, clean, highly detailed sound that rivals dedicated audiophile CD players. Music feels alive, dynamic, and wonderfully textured. Whether you're playing sax, DVD audio, or high-resolution files, the Oppo delivers sound with depth and authority. Video performance is equally impressive. 4K movies look razor-sharp, motion stays smooth, and HDR performance remains among the best ever produced in a consumer player. Dolby Vision and HDR10 are handled with precision, giving you a cinematic experience that still beats most competitors today. The build quality is elite: thick aluminum panels, a reinforced frame, a super quiet transport, and a layout designed for maximum isolation. Everything feels premium, stable, and built to last decades. Because production ended, the UDP-205 has become a collector's item. Prices on the used market are high, but people still pay gladly because nothing fully replaces it. For both audio and video performance, the Oppo UDP-205 remains the gold standard. In a world full of streaming services, these 4K Blu-ray players prove that physical media still delivers the best picture and sound you can get. From the budget-friendly LG to the powerful Magnetar, each player brings its own flavor and strengths. But the real standout is the Oppo UDP-205, a machine so good that people are still hunting for it years after it left the market. Whether you're building your first home theater or upgrading to something more serious, any of these players can take your movie nights to a completely new level. The clarity, the depth, and the pure audio impact simply can't be matched by streaming. If this guide helped you find the right player, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which one would you pick? Thanks for watching.